rank, dense rank. Okay, then. And you know how to find the ranks within the group. Okay, not in the whole table. To find ranks within group, we use one class partition by. Okay, then. Let's see here. One is there. What is that is? Row number. Row number. Row number. So then what is row number is? Okay, na? Row number is row number returns record numbers. Row number returns record numbers. Okay, row number returns what? Record numbers. Record numbers for the records written by query. Returns record numbers. First record 1, second record 2, third record 3, fourth record 4, fifth record 5, like that. So row number returns record numbers. Okay, then row number is also based on some column. Row number also, for row number, the data must be sorted. Data must be sorted. If data is not sorted, for rank, dense rank, row number, for all these functions, data must be sorted. After sorting only, so it can find the ranks, it can find the row numbers. Okay, then. So, how to use row number? Row number over same thing, order by, column name, ascending, descending, so on. Syntax wise same. Then, but the difference is rank function gives ranks, but row number returns record numbers, serial numbers. First record 1, second record 2, third record 3, like that. Okay, then. So now, let's see. Suppose here, select number. Okay, then select number, name, salary, row number, order by salary, descending order as row number from EMP. Okay, then first what it will do? First it will sort the data. So the data is sorted salary wise, descending order. Okay, so highest to lowest. After sorting the data salary wise, descending order, then it gives what? Record numbers. First record 1, second record 2, third record 3, fourth record 4, like that. So it gives what? Record numbers. Rank is different, row number is different. Rank and row numbers are not same. Rank is different, row number is different. Now, let's execute this query. So you see this, how the records are arranged salary wise, descending order, because you said order by salary, descending. So the records are arranged salary wise, descending. Then after that, first record is displayed with what? Row number 1. Second record is displayed with 2. Third record is displayed with 3. Fourth record is 4. Fifth record 5, like that. So what this is? This is what? Row numbers, record numbers. But what is the difference between rank and row number? You see that in case of rank, salaries are same. Then salaries are same, ranks will be same. But here salaries are same, row number is not same. because this is second record, this is third record. It will not consider whether salaries are same or not same, or it will not consider. So first it will sort. After sorting, then it gives what record numbers. First record 1, second record 2, third record 3, like that. Understood? So this is the difference between rank, dense rank, and row number. Then, okay. Now, just a minute. Then, now. Okay. Then, then. Okay. Now, let's see. Understood the difference? Then, rank, dense rank, row number. So, salary, for example, salary, rank, dense rank, row number. Salary, rank, dense rank, row number. Salary is 5,000. Next one, salary is 4,000, 3,000, 3,000, and 3,000, 2,000. So 2,000 and 1,000. This is the salaries. Now tell me, what is the rank of this one? What is the dense rank? 1. What is the row number? 1. What is the rank? Dense rank? 2. Row number? 2. What is the rank? 3. Dense rank? 3. Row number? 3. What is the rank? Same salaries, same rank. Rank is 3. What is the dense rank? 3. Not 4. When salaries are same, ranks are same. Whether it is rank or dense rank, same. Okay, na? What is the row number? 4. What is the rank? 3. Dense rank? 3. Row number? 5. What is the rank here? 6. Rank is 6. What is the dense rank? 4. What is the row number? 6. What is the rank here? 6. What is the dense rank? 5. Sorry, 4. Dense rank is also 4. Then 7. What is the rank here? 8. Dense rank is 5. Row number is what? 8. Sir, okay, na? Then understood the difference? Okay, that's all. This is what rank, dense rank, and what's that? Row number. Then no. Okay. Okay. Then Next. What the next one is? This is analytical functions. What the next one is? Aggregate functions. Okay, aggregate functions. Okay, na? Then now. So then see what is aggregate means. Aggregate means and one more thing, see these functions are also called analytical functions. Now these functions are also called window functions. Then these functions are also called window functions. Analytical functions are window functions. Okay. Now, so next one, aggregate functions. Aggregate. What is aggregate means? What is aggregate means? Aggregate. Not only average. Okay, na? Average is one. What is aggregate means? From the group of values, if we get a single value, that is called aggregate. From the group of values, if we get a single value, that is called aggregate. Like for example, what is your BTech aggregate percentage? BTech aggregate percentage means from the what's that? Average of 8 semesters. Average of what? 8 semesters. From the 8 semesters, you get one value. Okay, na? So from the group of values, if you get a single value, that is called what? Aggregate. Then, so, and these functions, okay, these functions process group of rows and returns one value. These functions process group of rows, returns one value. Okay, these functions process group of rows, returns one value. Say, up to now, the functions we covered, all that functions process how many rows at a time? The functions we discussed at a time, how many values it process? Like you take, for example, upper of e name. If I take upper of e name, how it works? It go to the first value. Or the first value, Smith. Smith is converted into uppercase. Next, go to the next value, Ellen. Ellen is converted into uppercase. So at a time, it processes how many values? One value. At a time it processes only one value. So, but these functions process what? These functions process what's that? Group of rows. These functions process single value at a time. But these functions process what? Group of values. And from the group of values, returns how many values? One value. So process group of rows, but returns what? Single value. Then, so those functions are called aggregate functions. Then, one is that max function. Max function. What is max function? Returns maximum value. Function returns what? Maximum value. Okay. Max function returns maximum value. Max of. So this function takes one argument. The function takes one argument. Okay. Then what that argument is? Mostly this argument is column name. You pass column name. Example, Like suppose I'll say select max of salary. Select max of salary from EMP. Then what it will show? It will show maximum salary. So max function is applied on salary column, but salary column contains how many values? 14 values. So this function process 14 values. From the 14 values, it returns one value. So what that maximum value is? Maximum value is what's that? 5,000. Okay, then select max of sal from EMP. So what is this returns? Maximum salary. But the maximum salary is 5,000. So not only salary column, you can apply this on date also. Select max of what? Select max of what's that? Hide date. Select max of hide date from EMP. So maximum hide date. Select max of hide date. Maximum hide date. Then maximum hide date. So what the max hide date is? Maximum hide date. Then so maximum hide date. So hide dates are there 1980, 81, 82, 83. But what is the maximum hide date is? 1983. In hide date column, maximum value. In hide date column, what is the maximum value? 1983. Okay, na? Then okay, then so you can apply this on numeric column. You can apply this on date column. So you can apply this on salary is what type? Numeric type. And hide date is what type? Date type. Okay, then can I apply this on character? Max of ename. Okay. Can I apply this on character column? If I apply this on character column, then what is the output? What is the output? Then so max of ename. What is the max of ename is? Your maximum of ename. What is the meaning? So it is like you think that it is based on length, but it's not based on length. Okay, na? It is based on alphabets. So then in this, what the maximum is? What? A to Z. In A to Z, maximum is what? What? Alphabet. In alphabetical order, what the maximum is? W. Yes or no? So that's why it is returning the name what? Then. So you can apply this on numeric column. You can apply this on date column. You can apply this on character column. Okay. Then. So if you want to find the maximum salary, you don't need to write any program. There is a predefined function. Directly use it. Okay. Now, next. What the min is, then min. What is the min? Min function returns what? Minimum value. Min function returns minimum value. Max function returns maximum. And min function returns what's that? Okay, na? Then. So, returns minimum value. So, min of what? Here also it takes how many arguments? Min function also takes one argument. Now, here also, suppose select min of salary. Min of salary from EMP. So this returns minimum salary. in salary column. So returns what? Minimum. So what the minimum is? What the minimum is what? 800. Okay. So you can apply this on same. You can apply this on date. You can apply this on character column. You can apply this on date column. You can apply this on character column. Understood? Then now next what? There is a function called what's that? Sum function. What is the sum function returns? The sum function returns what? Returns total. Sum function returns what? Total. Returns total. Max returns maximum. Min returns minimum. Sum returns total. So all these functions are applied on how many values? These functions applied on how many values? Max is applied on how many values, boss? Applied on how many values? Multiple values. Max function is applied on salary column. Salary column contains 14 values. That means this function is applied on multiple values, but returns how many values? One value. So function process multiple values, returns one value. Even min also same. Applied on 14 values, returns one value. Sum also same. All these functions process multiple, but returns one. That's why these functions are called what's that? Aggregate. Okay. Then now sum of what? Argument. Sum of argument. So this also takes one argument. Like suppose if I say select sum of salary, then sum of salary. Sum of salary means all the 14 employees' salaries are added, returns total. All 14 employees' salaries are added, returns what's that? Total. So 29,025. What the total is? 29,025. Okay. And after adding all 14 employees' salaries, the total salary is 29,025. Now, like what is my requirement is round the total salary to hundreds. Then can I round the total salary to hundreds? What? So select sum of salary from EMP means returns total salary now. All the employees' salaries are added. After adding, you are getting 29,025. But I don't want to show 29,025. I want to round this value to the hundreds. Then which function we use? Round function. Then you have to write like this. Once again, select what? Round off. Round off what? Some salary. Okay, na? Then select the round off some salary. Sum of salary. Then minus 2. Sum of salary minus 2 from what? EMP. Okay, some salary minus 2. Then minus 2 means hundreds. Minus 1 means tens. Minus 3 means thousands. So minus 2 means hundreds. So here, if you call a function like this, which is executed first? Sorry, here once again, you are calling one function in another function. When you call one function in another function, which is executed first? Sum is executed first. Next what? Round is executed. First sum is executed. What is the sum salary? Sum salary is 29,025. So 29,025 is rounded to what? Hundreds. Now So tell me, 29,025 is between what range? 29,025 is between what range? So 29,000 to what? 29,100. Yes or no? 29,025 is between 29,000 to 29,100 because we have to consider hundreds. Now, what is the average? 29,000, what's that? 50. 29,050 averages. So, but round function acts according to average. Now, so this given 29,025 is below average or above average? Below average. If it is below average, rounded to what? Lowest. If it is equal or above average, rounded to highest. But this is below average. Then rounded to what? Lowest. So then 29,000. Sir, okay na? Understood. Okay. Okay. So if you write like this, boss, which is executed first? Which is executed first? Samsal is executed first. What is Samsal returns? 29,025. But you're asking SQL server, round this value to -2. -2 means what? Hundreds. Then 29,025 is between what range? 29,000 to 29,100. Consider 100 part. Okay. What the average is? Average is what? 29,050. So 29,025 is what? Below average. If it is below average, rounded to what? Lowest. Understood? Next. And again, see, what is asking is after rounding. After rounding. After rounding, then so display total salary with 1,000 separated. I want to show this total salary. After rounding, I want to show this total salary with 1,000 separated. Then tell me how. Yesterday I shown. I want to show the total salary with 1,000 separated. Then what? Then select what? Sir, see, this is he's saying after rounding. That means first you have to apply this. Then you'll get this output now. I want to show this value with 1,000 separator. Then what? This whole thing gives 29,000. This one second. This whole expression gives 29,000. But I want to show this value with 1,000 separator. If we want to show some value with 1,000 separator, we have to use a function called convert function. We have to use style number, money styles. Okay, na? Then once again, how to use convert? Convert. Then varchar comma. So varchar comma. This is the money. Okay, na? This gives 29,000. So I want to show the 29,000 with 1,000 separator. What is the style number for displaying value with 1,000 separator? 1. There are 3 cells, 0, 1, 2. That's all. But dates we have number of. But for only for displaying numbers, there are 3 cells, 0, 1, 2. Okay. If you want to show the value with 1,000 separator, what is the style number we use? 1. Next from what? From EMP. Okay, then so now then like let's see here, run this query, then run this query. Now see this, what is this is 29,000. So 29,000 is displayed with 1,000 separator or not? Yes, 29 comma 0 0 0. Yes or no? Okay, then now. So if you call a functions like this, what this is called? This is called nesting of function. What this is called? Nesting. A function called in another function. That is called what? Nesting of function. In nesting of functions, which is executed first? Which is executed first? Inner function is executed first. What is executed? Sum sal. Sum sal returns 29,025. Next one, what is executed? Round is executed. What is round returns? Round function returns what, sir? Okay, na? Round function returns 29,000. Next, what is executed? Convert is executed. What is convert returns? Convert returns. So convert displays 29,000 with what? 1,000 separated. Okay. Okay then. That's all. But suppose, but user, what is asking is, so display the total salary paid to managers. Display total salary paid to managers. I want to show the total salary paid to managers. But previous, what is this 29,025 is the total salary paid to what? 29,025 is what? The total salary paid to all the employees. But is asking total salary paid to managers. Then total salary paid to managers. Then select select what? What I am asking to display, that select that one. What I am asking? I'm not asking managers. I'm asking to display total salary. That's all, boss. Here, this is all basics. Okay, no? What I'm asking to display. What do you want to see in the output? In the output, I want to see total salary. Then select. Select what? Select some salary. Then from EMP. What this gives? The total salaries of all, but is not asking all, is asking only managers. Then where job equals to manager. That's all, boss. What is asking is display total salary. Then here you're asking select manager. What is select manager? What you select here, what we write it here. What we write it here, what you want to see in the output. In the output, I want to see the total salary. Select total salary. Okay, then. But not all the employees, particular employees. Then apply the where condition. So now this will not calculate what. So how it works, it goes to the table. It goes to table. From table, which are selected? Managers are selected. There are 3 managers. All the 3 managers' salaries are added. Not 14 employees' salaries are added. Only there are 3 managers. Only the 3 employees' salaries are added. Okay. Then so now run this query. So this query gives the total salaries of what managers 8275. Okay, na? There are 3 employees. The total salary paid to the 3 managers is 8275. Okay, then. Sir, okay now? Right. So sometimes what they want like this. Sometimes they'll ask you to, they wanted to round the value to hundreds. They want to display the value with 1000 separated, but they don't want all the employees' total salary. They want only particular employees' total salary. Then where condition. So next, I'm just taking the different cases. Okay. Then suppose I'm asking to display, like calculate, not display anything, calculate total salary, include commissions also. In calculating total salary, include the commission also. Then tell me how. Including commission. Then in total salary calculation, I want to include the commission also. Then select what? Select sum of salary plus commission. Select salary plus commission. Okay, na? Select sum of salary plus commission. So from EMP, what this query gives? This query gives what's it? Why error? It will not give any error. Okay, na? Remember, when syntactically wrong, then it query gives error. When syntactically right, then it will not give the error. Okay, then. So run this query. This query gives total salary. What is the total salary including commission? 7,800. Salary plus commission is 7,800. Yes or no? Then, so the total salary including commission is 7,800. Sir, what is the total salary? Total salary is how much? 29,025. After adding commission, 7,800. Is this correct? Sir, only total salary is 29,025. After adding commission, now it becomes 7,800. This is wrong now. This is not syntactical error. This is logical error. So it should be either 29. Okay, now let's see. So then after adding commission, the total salary should be either 29,025 or it should be greater than 29,025. But why it becomes less than 29,025? Yes or no? Okay, na? Then it should be either equal to 29,025 or it should be greater than 29,025. Why it becomes less than 29,025? Yes. What the problem is? Listen. Suppose salary, commission, What you said, salary plus commission. Salary is what, sir? 5,000. Commission is what? Null. Salary is 4,000. Commission is 500. Salary is 3,000. Commission is null. Just assume. Now tell me, what is the total salary? Salary plus commission is how much? Null. What is the total salary? 4,500. What is the total salary? Null. Now tell me, what is sum of salary? What is sum of salary? Sum of salary, boss. 12,000. Okay, na? Then sum of salary is 12,000. Sum of salary plus commission is how much? 4,500. Sum of salary plus commission is how much? 4,500. The total salary is 12,000. After adding commission, it is 4,500. That is the problem. What is the problem? What is the problem? Some of the employee commissions are null. In calculating salary plus commission, if commission is null, the total salary becomes what, sir? Null. Okay? If commission is null, the total salary becomes null. So this is the problem. Then how to overcome this problem? In case if commission is null, convert this value to 0. How to convert null values to 0? By using what? Is null function. By using is null. Then you have to write something like this. What is that is? Select sum of salary plus is null of what? Commission comma 0. Then commission comma 0 from what? EMP. Now, so if you write like this, okay. Now, if you write like this, so in case commission is null, we are converting that value to 0 by using is null function. Now, then, so now we have written something. Salary plus is null of what, sir? Commission comma 0. Now let's come to this one. What is the total salary? 5,000. Salary is 5,000. Commission is null. Null is converted to 0. 0 plus 5,000. Then 5,000. Here, what is the total salary? 4,500. What is the total salary? Here, 3,000 plus null. Null is converted to 0. 3,000 plus 0. What? 3,000. Then, what is the sum salary? 12,000. So, 12,000. Yes. Sum salary is 12,000. So, sum of salary plus is null of what, sir? Commission comma 0. Then that is equal to 12,500. Now you get the correct value or not? Yes. Okay. Then when you are doing any arithmetic calculations, you need to take care of nulls. Otherwise, you'll not get the expected output. You'll get the wrong output. Okay. Sir, okay, na? Now run this here. Now with is null function, what the output is? 31,225. Now it is correct or not? Yes. Okay. Then 31,225. Clear? So the previous, this is one without, this is without is null. This is one with is null. Just you compare, you'll understand the difference. Okay. But the next one is AVG. 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 What is AVG is? AVG returns what? Average value. Average value. AVG function returns average value. Okay, then so returns average. Suppose, for example, select AVG of sal from EMP. AVG of sal from EMP. Average salary. How the average salary is calculated? How the average salary is calculated? Total salary by number of employees. How many employees? 14. The total salary by number of employees. This is how average is calculated. Okay, now? Understood? Then. So the total salary by number of employees. So then, suppose here you see this average salary is how much? 2073.2142. 2073. So this is same as what? Select what's that? Sum of salary by 14. Both are same or not? Yes. Let's test. 2073.2142. Both are same? Yes. So how average is calculated? Total by number of employees. Okay, na? Then. But here I don't want to show like this. I want to round this value to the integer. Round the total salary to, round the average salary to the lowest integer. Means I want to round it to 2073. 2073 point something. But 2073 point something, I want to round it to 2073. Tell me what? Round average salary to the lowest integer. I want to round this value to the lowest integer. Then, sir, rounding means immediately three functions should come into your mind. Round, floor, ceiling. Round, ceiling, floor. Three functions. Now, round. You want to round based on the average. Then, round function. You want to round it to the lowest floor. You want to round it to the highest ceiling. Then, now, according to this requirement, is asking to round the value to the what? Lowest. Then, which function is suitable here? Floor. So you have to use floor. What is that is? Select what's that? Floor of what? Average of what? Sal from EMP. Select floor of average of sal from EMP. Okay, then floor of average of sal from EMP. So average salary is rounded to the lowest integer. Now tell me, this is what this gives? This gives what? 2073. If it is 2073.9, 2073.9, then 2073.9. What it gives? What you are understanding, boss? 2073.9. What it gives? Don't say 2074. That's what, boss. What you are understanding? This is what is the function? Floor. Then why you are saying 2074? What floor function always rounds to the lowest. Then what it returns? Then what is the difference between round and floor bars? Okay, na? Because you do this because lack of practice. If you don't practice, then it will be like this one. Okay, you have to practice. If you don't practice, then that's all. Okay, na? Even after end of the course also, okay, na? Same doubts will arise. You won't know the difference. When to apply which function. Okay, then. So then, if it is 2073.9, then 20731. Floor always rounds to the lowest. Ceiling always rounds to the highest. Here, if I apply ceiling, then what is the value? If I apply ceiling, then 2074. Ceiling always highest. Floor always lowest. Round checks average. Based on the average, it will round. Now, so then now let's see here 2073 point something, then it is rounded to 2073. Okay, then so that's all average. Okay, na? So what is that point here? Then sum comma average functions cannot be applied on what's that? Date and character columns. Can be applied only on what? Can be applied only on what? Numeric columns. Sum of height date is not possible. Average of height date is not possible. When sum is not possible, average is not possible. Dates can be added? Can we add the dates? No, dates cannot be added. So when sum is not possible, average is also not possible. Okay. So they given a question in one of the written tests. Which of the following function cannot be applied on start date? Start date is date. Which of the following function cannot be applied on start date? Okay, na? They given like this. A, what's it? Max, B, min, C, sum, D, something, some, none, or etc. What? Start date. Start date is what type? Date type. Which of the following function? Max can be applied? Yes. Min can be applied? Yes. Sum can be applied? No. So then what the answer is? Sum. Okay, na? Then. Next, in this, one is left. What is that is what? One is, what's that? Count. Count star. Count star. What is count star returns? Count star returns what's it? Number of rows in a table. Count star returns how many rows? Count. Okay, then. So suppose simply you call like this. Select count star from EMP. Then select count star from EMP. If you say select count star from EMP, how many rows are there in EMP table? What this gives? This gives what's that? 14. Number of rows in EMP table. Number of rows means number of employees. Customer table how many customers. Then select count star from customers table. Then Okay, select count star from what? Customers table. Then it will give number of rows in customers table. So if you want to find out how many rows, then use this function what? Count star. Okay, now then suppose I'll ask number of employees joined in 1981 year. Number of employees joined in 1981 year. Then what? Number of employees joined in 1981 year. Then select counts are from EMP where I did like 1981 percentage. So then it counts only the number of employees joined in 1981. I want to find out number of employees joined on Sunday. How many employees joined on Sunday? Select counts are from EMP where, then where? Select counts are from EMP where? Now condition based on day of the week. How to get the day of the week? To get the day of the week, then we use a function called what's that? Date name. We use a function called date name. Okay, na? So date name like DW, because now condition based on day of the week, na? How to get the day of the week? DW. So DW comma hide date equals to what? Sunday. Okay, then so now so like display number of employees joined in 1981 year. Then select what? Counts are from EMP where what? You can also use date part. YY comma what's that? Hide date equals to 1981. Then next, display number of employees joined on Sunday. Is not asking the employee details, is asking count. How many? Is not asking the details. Then what? Select what? From EMP where date name DW comma hide date equal to Sunday. So this gives how many employees joined on Sunday. Okay, then okay, now so this is a query. So Sunday, how many employees joined on Sunday? How many? One. I want to see the employee details. Then I want to see this one employee. Now I want to see the details of this employee. Then that's all, boss. That is the reason. So if you practice, you can able to answer to these questions. Okay, na? I want to see the details. Then select what? Select star. If you say select star, it will show the details. If you say select count star, it will show the count. I want to see the details. Then select star. Select star means it is showing the employee details. So there is one employee joined on Sunday. Okay, na? Select star means it will show the details. Select count star means Select count star means it will show the count. What is displayed in the output depends on your selection. Okay, then. So to see the details, select star. To see the count, select count star. Okay, then. But count function can be applied on any column. You can apply this on what, sir? Any column. Okay. You can apply this on numeric, etc. Then, so next. Oh. So, like I can also write like this. Once again, suppose here I can also write like this. Select EMPN. Then what it will count? Number of values in EMPNO. How many values are there in EMPNO? How many values are there? 14 values. I can write salary. Then how many values are there in salary? 14 values. I can write commission. How many values are there in commission? 4. Remaining nulls. Nulls are not counted. So it returns 4. Why remaining 10? What about the remaining 10? The remaining 10 are what? Null values. Null values are counted or not counted? Not counted. So it counts only not null. Like let's say department number. Let's say department number. Then it will count number of values in department number column. How many values? 14. But the department number column contains duplicates. There are number of employees working for 10, 20, 30. But I don't want to count duplicates. I want to count only distinct values. Then apply what's a distinct. If you apply the distinct, duplicates are eliminated. After eliminating the duplicates, then it will count. How many distinct department numbers are there? 3. One is 10, one is 20, one is 30. Sir, okay, na? That means, so you can apply this function on columns also. Sir, here you are written count star, na? Count star means what it will return? Number of rows. But if you write like this, for example, then if I write like this, count of what? EMPNO, then returns what, sir? 14. Number of values in EMPNO column. Now, so count of what? Count of what, sir? Commission. Count of commission is how much? 4. Nulls are not counted. Nulls are not counted. Then, if I say like this, department number, then how many departments are there? 14. But if I say distinct department numbers is how many? 4. So this is what? Count after eliminating the duplicates. This is what? Count after eliminating what? Duplicates. So distinct eliminates duplicates. After eliminating the duplicate, then it will count. So how many, sir? Not 4 now? What? 3. How many distinct departments? 3, 10, 20. So these functions are called what? Aggregate functions. Okay. Then one point is okay. Then so like aggregate functions, aggregate comma window functions. Window, you know na? Analytical functions are also called window functions. Aggregate comma window functions are not allowed in where clause. Okay, they are not allowed in what, sir? Where clause. So these functions are not allowed in where clause. Okay, then so you cannot call these functions in what? Where clause. Now what is this? Select what? Select ename from emp where what? Salary equal to max salary. So you are calling this max function in what? You are calling this max function in where clause. This is not allowed. You cannot call this function in where clause. If you call this function in where clause, then what it this gives? This gives what, sir? Error. Then this gives error. Now, so see this here. What it is saying? Aggregate may not appear in what, sir? Where clause. Where clause, it's not allowed in where clause. Okay. Then so what this command gives? This command gives what, sir? Error. Why? Because here where is applied on row by row. Where is applied on what? Row by row. But max is applied on group of rows. Where is applied on? Row by row, single rows. But max is applied on what? Group of rows. That's why we cannot combine this in one where clause. Okay. Because where clause execution is different, max execution is what? Different. So that's why we cannot call this function in where clause. Now even suppose what? Select for example ename from emp where count star equal to 3. Count equal to 3. Then this is also what? Not allowed. This query gives error. Same output you'll get. What this is? Aggregate may not appear in what, sir? Where clause. So these functions are not allowed in where clause. What this gives? Error. Okay. And they're allowed in, okay, na? These functions are allowed in select. These functions are allowed in what, sir? Select. Select count star is allowed or not? Yes. Select max sal is allowed or not? Yes. So these functions are allowed in select, but not allowed in what, sir? Where clause. Then next even. So this is like, for example, select what? Star or whatever. Select star from what? emp where what? Okay, na? What this is? Dense rank over order by salary descending. Okay, equal to 3. Rank equal to 3. Sir, the dense rank gives rank na. I'm asking rank equal to 3 or rank less than or equal to 3. Rank less than or equal to 3 means you want to see first 3 ranks. 1, 2, 3. Equal to 3 means you want to see only third rank. Less than or equal to means first 3. Equal to means only third rank. Suppose I want to see third rank. I want to see the details of employee whose rank equal to 3. Okay, na? Then if you want to see that, then if you run this query, what it is gives? Error. Okay, na? Then see this. What it is saying? Window functions can only appear in what? Select or order by. So it is not allowed in what, sir? Not allowed in what? Where clause. Then it is allowed in only select and order by, but not allowed in where clause. What is this command? This command also gives what, sir? Error. Okay, then. Then, so how to overcome this problem? Okay, na? How to overcome this problem? Okay, then how to overcome this? I want to find out name of the employee earning the maximum salary. Someone is earning the maximum, na? I want to find out name of the employee earning the maximum salary, and I want to find out third highest paid employee data. I want to see what? Third highest paid employee details. Okay, so third highest paid employee details, and I want to see who is earning maximum salary. I want that employee name. But if you write like this, it is giving what, sir? Error. How to overcome this problem? To overcome this problem, we use one called subqueries. We use one. What is that is called? Subqueries. So the topic comes later. So that time we'll see. Okay, na? We can do this with the help of what? Subqueries. Okay. Then with this functions topic is completed. Functions topic is over. Next we'll start another topic in next class. Okay, na? Yeah. Okay. Okay. We'll tomorrow you ask. చెప్పండి.
शो हो गया है, लेकिन एक दो दिन हो गया है, एक दिन शो हो गया है, लेकिन कुछ दिन क्रिएट अपडेट किया ना, तो ये कोई